Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make cheese volcano pizza at home. First, let's get started with the dough. You'll need about 300 grams of all-purpose flour, 180 milliliters of warm water, a teaspoon of active dry yeast, and a pinch of salt. Mix these ingredients, knead for about 5 minutes, then let it rise for at least 1 hour until it doubles in size. This step is crucial for a fluffy crust. Now for the fun part, building the volcano. Once your dough has risen beautifully, gently roll it out on a floured surface into a large circle, roughly 12 inches in diameter. Next, create a sturdy, raised wall of dough, about 1 inch high, around the entire outer edge. This will be the crater for our cheese. Fill this center generously with about 200 grams of shredded mozzarella, cheddar, or a blend of your favorite melting cheeses. With your cheese volcano built, it's time for the toppings. Spread a thin layer of your favorite pizza sauce over the outer ring of dough, avoiding the cheese-filled center. Then, add your desired toppings like sliced pepperoni, bell peppers, or mushrooms. Be creative. Finally, transfer your masterpiece to a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius and bake for 15 to 20 minutes. Your cheese volcano pizza is almost ready. Bake it until the crust is a beautiful golden brown and the cheese in the center is wonderfully bubbly and melted. This usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes. Once out of the oven, resist the urge to cut it immediately. Let it cool for 5 to 10 minutes. This short wait ensures that amazing, satisfying cheese pull when you slice into your homemade volcano pizza. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.